Week 11, day 1. Legs today, I think I have 340 or 345 for a couple sets of 3, maybe 2, I don't know. I actually haven't looked at it, but I know it's 340 something. Yeah, not much more to say. I'm just gonna finish out this second to last week strong, and then max is next week. And Matt will finish out the program. I didn't feel that. Oh, it gets heavy. Week 11, day 2. Benching today. 240 pounds for 2 sets of 2. I've never done that. That sounds heavy, and it'll be fun. That's heavy. Ooh. It is week 11, day 3. Got deadlifts today. It's only 2 singles with 410, so should be pretty quick. I'm really gonna try to focus on staying tight. I know I said that last time, and I really did. I mean, I watched it over, and it looked like I was definitely trying, but you know, when the weight gets really heavy like that, I just tend to have a little rounding in my back. It just happens. But when I'm doing 1 rep, I don't know. I should be able to be explosive enough to do it and not feel my back really give out, because I know it's like really demotivating after the first rep's hard. And then you have another one right after that, so it's like kind of just try to do whatever you can to get it up. But anyway, since I'm just doing 410 for 2 sets of 1, I'm gonna try really, really hard to have good form, and hopefully it comes off the ground pretty fast. It is week 11, day 4, final day of the second to last week. So after this workout, we're going to be on the final week, and it's going to be into maxes. I have 160 for 2 sets of 2 on overhead press, and that'll finish out this week.